There is a doorway within us, a doorway the day cannot erase. It opens with breath, not with force, a breath that tunes the innermost frequencies. The body becomes a radio, listening. Subtle energies hum in the margins of attention. What you hear between breaths matters more than noise. The practice begins with noticing the inhale. The exhale invites space for what remains unseen. We learn to slow, to listen, to calibrate. A portal opens not outside, but inside. The inner reality shifts when rhythm shifts. This is not a claim, but an invitation. Could a breath become a key? In that space, attention grows quiet and spacious. The heart drums a softer tempo. The breath carries signals beyond thought. Thoughts pulse, then fade into a larger quiet. A change in tone reveals new landscapes of self. The lungs become a conductor of inner weather. Inhale, a note of warmth, a spark of clarity. Exhale, a release, a clearing of static. The mind finds itself at rest inside motion. The body remembers a long melody it forgot. You might feel a resonance in the chest, a sigh of alignment. This is the rising wonder. Subtle energies do not shout. They whisper in the fringe of awareness. They ask you to notice breath as intention. You begin to tune your inner frequencies slowly. A gentle law of listening replaces demanding effort. The portal does not demand belief, only attention. There is a darker thread in this journey. Our modern lives pulse with distraction. The screen glare, the caffeine buzz, the endless scroll. In the quiet, frequency becomes frequency. The breath pulls you toward thresholds you did not know. It is not that the world changes first, but your listening does. The inner weather shifts, and with it, perception shifts. What you call reality narrows or expands in proportion to attention. Some wonder if the portal is practical. Even healers talk. It is practical in the sense that life feels more tangible. Healing arrives as a cadence, not a miracle. The breath clarifies bias, invites honesty, invites vulnerability. If you stay with it, you may notice a steadier heartbeat. If you stay with it, cleanliness of intention grows. Then the darker layers soften. The mind learns to rest inside the rhythm rather than resist it. A subtle joy returns like a dawn inside the chest. The portal becomes a practice of witness, not conquest. You are not escaping, you are arriving. The breath teaches you the geography of attention. There are rooms in you you did not know existed. Rooms that hum when you listen. The frequencies shift from fear toward curiosity. If this is true for you, it is a question, not a claim. What do you notice when you observe the breath without judgment? What shapes your tempo? Fear, wonder, or mercy? The invitation is personal, a lifelong experiment. The dialogue between body and breath becomes a meditation on self. The Life Saga path has always pointed here, to practice. The app invites you to measure, to reflect, to share, to grow. In that space, a
hope awakens.